Joe Beermaster. We have a 2019 or 20 Ford Escape battery here. This goes for multiple years and models of Ford. If your key fob looks like this, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on it. This is a little different looking. And as always, the battery's on the inside. So the first thing to do is to open your valet key. And the way to do that, you can see there's a little sort of button right there. We're going to press that in. Right there. Press in, pull out. Okay. So that's how you get your valet key. Press in, pull out. There's this little piece here we pressed in. So now the question is how to get the key. This one looked a little sophisticated to me at first, and then I figured it out quite quick. This is the top panel in here. It doesn't slide up, it doesn't do anything. So I got a little, you can use a butter knife or whatever. You want to stick it in here, not in that hole, but kind of next to it and kind of push out. If you had a butter knife, it would be better. Then it comes off, the lid starts coming off. Just got to keep pulling. Put pressure. That's in there real tight, so that's how we did it. We separated it, took the fob out, separated it here, and pulled. You have to pull pretty hard. So you can see that there's a little edge there. Right there, it just clicks in. So now there's your battery. If you want to get it out, just use a little tool. Use something sharp. And there it goes. It popped right out. And there it is. This is a little bit bigger battery. This is a CR2450. And that is a 3 volt. A little bigger than what's usually in the batteries. It's got a positive and a negative. This is the positive side. You'll see it on there. Get the new one. Slide it in. Push in. Push that direction. Then in and down. And that's it. Then we want to get the lid on. Of course, it was hard to get off, so it's also going to be hard to get on. You want to slide the bottom part, that part, in first. Like I said, it had that little edge. You click it. That went in pretty good that time. And then we're going to put the valet key back in. Click, and done. Now we could test it. Go out and test it. Make sure it works. And that's how it's done for the Ford key, the new Ford keys. This is an Escape key, like I said, but this is also for multiple years of the Escape and some other model Fords. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care.